YouTube, Salivate Metal here, and what you're looking at is a coin that was cleaned in the same method and manner as was described in the previous video about entitled Dirty Gold, Clean Gold. And of course I didn't really describe it because it is a trade secret, but I can tell you that that particular method did not involve ultrasonic cleaning methods, and which some had suggested was the case. And you'll notice that it's not the same exact coins either. Those coins have been sold, but they both came back graded and were not noted as being cleaned. And such is the case with this particular coin. It was cleaned using the same methods and was dirty as well with the black portions thereof. And as you can see, it looks great, brilliant uncirculated, and no designation of it being cleaned of any by any methods at all. So here we see the particular coin, very, very nice details. We're going to kind of look at it pretty closely here so that you can see the fields. There's nothing, no whizzing, no marks on it other than other than bag marks and the like. Very, very nice indeed. A lot of detail on this piece. We'll take a look at the obverse here, or the reverse of the piece. Very nice. So again, this particular method that he uses is quite impressive, and to be able to remove any kind of surface material in a non-destructive manner as such. So there you have it, and I wanted to do a follow-up video because people were asking questions about that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching, and encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.